Hi, welcome back. Let's talk about the 5 best tips and tricks to fix ChatGPT not working on Google Chrome problem. If ChatGPT is not working properly on Google Chrome, the issue is usually caused by corrupted cache files, conflicting extensions, outdated browser versions, or temporary server or network problems. The good news is that most of these problems can be fixed in just a few minutes. That's it. Let's get started. So first and foremost, I will recommend you to clear the Chrome cache and cookies on your device. Note that old or corrupted browsing data can prevent ChatGPT from loading correctly or cause logging errors. So head over to the Google Chrome app on your device, and then you have to hit the three-dot menu located at the upper right corner of the screen. After that, select Delete Browsing Data. Then you have to choose all time as the time range. Then you have to check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. And then you have to hit delete data and confirm it. After that, you have to restart Chrome and open ChatGPT again to check whether or not you have gotten a better at the problem. Next up, I will recommend you to disable all the Chrome extensions. It's worth pointing out that extensions such as ad blockers, VPN add-ons, privacy tools, or script blockers can interfere with ChatGPT. So hit the triple dot icon located at the upper right. After that, you have to choose the extensions options in the menu. And then you have to disable all the extensions temporarily. After that, you have to relaunch Chrome and open ChatGPT to check whether or not you have gotten a better at the problem. If ChatGPT has begun to work, re-enable extensions one by one to find the culprit. After that, I will recommend you to check openai server status or network connection. Note that sometimes the problem is not Chrome at all. ChatGPT may be temporarily down or your internet may be unstable. So check the openai status page for outages. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Try switching to another network or mobile hotspot. Also disable VPN if it is active on your device and reload ChatGPT after the connection stabilizes. Then I will recommend you to update Google Chrome on your device. It's also important to point out that an outdated Chrome version may cause compatibility issues with modern web apps like ChatGPT. So hit the triple dot icon located at the top right. Then you have to select Help option in the menu. After that, click on About Google Chrome. Chrome will now automatically check for updates and then go ahead to install any available update. After that, you have to restart the browser after updating. And finally, I will recommend you to reset Google Chrome on your device. Note that misconfigured browser settings can sometimes stop ChatGPT from working correctly. Thankfully, resetting Chrome restores default settings without deleting bookmarks or saved passwords. So launch Google Chrome and then you have to hit the three-dot menu located at the upper right corner of the screen and then choose Settings in the menu. After that, click on Reset Settings from the left panel. Then you have to click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. And then you have to click on Reset Settings to confirm the access. Once you have perfectly reset Google Chrome, relaunch it and test ChatGPT again to find out whether or not you have eventually gotten a better at the problem. And that's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix ChatGPT not working problem on Google Chrome. I hope you have managed to find the right solution and resolve the problem. And eventually, ChatGPT has started to work like a charm on Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one.